In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change invoice template in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to update your invoice branding quickly and confidently. Start by heading to Xero in your web browser. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the main navigation and choose Sales. This takes you into the sales area where you manage quotes, invoices, and customer activity. From there, select Invoices. You'll land on the Invoices list, which shows drafts, awaiting approval, and sent items. This view is helpful because it keeps you close to the documents you'll be formatting. Next, click New Invoice. Even though we're not creating a final invoice right now, opening a new invoice is a quick way to access the controls that affect how invoices look. Think of it as a safe space to preview how your template behaves while you're editing. On the new invoice screen, find and click Invoice Settings. This opens the section where your branding themes and templates are managed. It's the hub for your layouts, logos, fonts, and wording. Everything that shapes the look and feel of what your customers receive. In the list of available templates, locate the one you want to adjust and click Options beside it. Options is where you can act on a specific template rather than changing anything account-wide by accident. It's a helpful checkpoint to make sure you're targeting the right layout, especially if you have multiple templates for different brands, currencies, or regions. Now, choose Edit. This opens the template editor. Here, you can fine-tune the visual details and the information that appears on your invoices. As you make adjustments, keep a few best practices in mind. Aim for clear, readable fonts and consistent spacing so totals and due dates are obvious at a glance. Make sure your business details are accurate and complete, including address and tax information. If your logo looks blurry or oversized, replace it with a high-resolution file that fits the recommended dimensions. Use the description, quantity, unit price, and tax columns that your customers actually need, and keep extra columns to a minimum to reduce clutter. It's also a good idea to include concise payment terms and a short, friendly note in the footer to reduce questions and late payments. Most editors offer a preview. Use it to confirm alignment, spacing, and that long item names wrap cleanly. That's the entire path. Open Xero, go to Sales, open Invoices, start a new invoice. Jump into Invoice Settings, select options on your chosen template, and click Edit to make your changes with confidence.